Here are two settings that you can make changes to on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro phone that will, one, increase the speed of apps opening as well as decrease how much processing is going on in the background of your phone, which in return will also help you save some battery life at a very high level. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is get into developer options. And to do this, use the quick access like this here, and you'll go into the settings toggle right there. Now, once in the main settings, you want to go to where it says My Device right here. And you're going to look for OS version. So if your Xiaomi phone has it right here, you'll tap on that 7 times. If you don't see it there, you can go into detailed info and specs here. You should also see it here. Now, once you find it, you're going to tap on it 7 times. So just count 1, and it's going to show you when you reach to 7 that you're in developer options. Okay, so it's going to tell you how much more steps here. Then it's going to tell you that you're now in developer mode there, okay? Now, once you're in developer mode, the fastest way to get into those settings, just come out of here and come out of here and go into the search bar here and type in the words developer, and you'll see developer options. So tap on that and that'll take you straight there. Make sure this is turned on, and the first thing we're gonna go into is the window animation feature. And you can always come back and change these at any given time, but go down. So you see how it says debug in here? So you're gonna look for where it says drawing. So go down and keep going down until you see drawing. That's the first section we're gonna stop at. Got networking, we got all this here, and input, drawing. So we're here now and we see window animation scale right there. So what this does basically at default, and for every phone out there, an Android phone, it will be set to 1 times. And that's your usual speed in which there's an animation of an app that when you open it, it's gonna go faster or slower. So the lower the number here, the faster the app is gonna open up. So I'll show you here quickly. Currently it's set to 1 times, right? And it could be anything that pops up like a pop-up menu or whatnot. So for example, you see this one, I'll tap on it and you'll see how there is this sort of animation that's gonna show up. And then I'll set it to 0.5. And you'll see how much faster that opens up, right? And I'll set it to off. And you'll see how fast that goes. See the difference here? And you wouldn't really notice it until I put it back to 1. So I'll set it back to 1. You see how there's like a delay there? But when I put it to off, it's gonna pop up right away. So if you had an app open up already and or about to open up, the animation speed is going to be drastically reduced with it being off, in which you really just don't need to have that on all the time for every app. So that's gonna increase your speed. Now, with all that said and done here, you can always come back to set it back to the original settings. Now for the processing of one app only. Go down some more and just keep going down until you reach the part that says apps right here. You'll see where it says background process limit. So you're going to be in the apps category and you'll see background processing limit. So this is usually set to standard. Once you're in the standard section here, then of course that's just basically mean that whatever you have on at the time, these are all going to be processing as they would normally do. Now, if you want to have just one app alone running only, that's going to allow your phone to just focus on just that one app. You want to set it to at most 1 process. So with this, your phone is going to put all the attention, all the memory, all the processing speed into that app. And on top of that, you won't have to worry about other apps running in the background because you're telling your phone now that only one app is allowed to be processed at a time. And that's going to save you some battery life there. So of course, again, if you don't like this at any given time, just come back here and set it back to standard limit, okay? That would always be the default one if in case you decide to come back and change it. And that would be it for this guide. Like and sub.